Alam mo, marami ka ng quotable quotes dito. That's Miss Zonia Mejia. Of course, she was part of Attorney Lilet Matias. And now, we have our first guest on the Kapuso Diamond Room.
Yes.
Let's
Anong chika dyan?
let's check
Thank
in with
you.
Tim and Rain.
Thank you, Sasa and Martin, ng bagong kasal. I'm sure maraming music fans ang excited ngayon because we have our first guests dito sa ating Diamond Room, ang proudly Pinoy boy band na based in South Korea, ang Horizon.
Hello, 1, 2, 3.
Hello po.
We are
Horizon.
Wow.
Hello guys, my name is Skyler. Hello po, my name is Marcus.
Hi, I'm Vinci. I'm the leader. Hello, my name is Raster.
Hi, my name is Winston.
Hi, my name is Jeremy.
Yan, and they are 12 years old.
Hindi naman,
Hindi
they
naman.
grew up na,
Oo,
diba?
their ages, kanina nagkakwentuhan tayo with them, they said their ages, they range from 15 to 22, 25, mga ganyan.
Yes.
2 years they spent in South Korea to train. So tell us about, guys, tell us about your look. Iba-iba, napaka-diverse. I love the looks. Please tell us about your looks tonight.
We are styled today by Nash August, and it's very giving the 75th diamond year for GMA. It's very sparkly, and they incorporated some modern Filipino barong styles too. So it's nice to be wearing something like this to such a prestigious event.
Okay, but I do want to ask you guys then, how does it feel nakabilang kayo sa 75th anniversary ng GMA?
We are so grateful that we are here today to celebrate this incredible milestone alongside with our GMA, mga Kapuso family namin. We always do our best and it's so nice din na parang we're able to perform na din as well sa stages ng GMA because
Saka huwag ka
that's what we
mag-alala,
want.
pag 80th anniversary ng GMA, 20 years old ka pa lang.
Bata pa, diba?
Right.
Pasok ka pa rin, andito ka pa rin, I'm sure.
So, mas matagal pa sila magsistay in the
Yes.
industry for sure. But I want to know, maybe I'll ask Vinci for this
Yeah,
since
yeah.
you are the leader. What are your plans for the group moving forward?
I mean, we're always trying to surprise our fans, our anchors. That's what we call them. And right now, we're still on, trying to make more music for them and trying to train more so we can show much more content for them in the future.
Ayan, nag-aabang dyan yung mga anchors, pati yung mga butter. Mga
Butter,
ganyan,
yes.
di ba? Oo. Thank you so much, Horizon, and see you guys later.
Thank you po.
Thank you, thank
Thank
you.
you.
Now, back to Sasa and Martin, mabuhay ang bagong kasal.
Thank you, Tim and Rain. Mabuhay indeed. Oh,
Well, marami akong gustong sabihin. May oras ba tayo? Charing. And
Okay.
ito na nga, ang ating P-pop Horizon. Oh my God! Isa na naman P-pop group. Ang ganda ng ensemble nila. Ang ganda! Wow!
Talagang pag P-pop group, iba yung atake dapat, You always need to stand out and you always
At
need to
may
be coordinated.
Coordination,
Yun,
right?
yeah.
Tingnan mo yung theme nila is white and silver. Wow! Ang ganda. Ang napapansin ko, white and silver, pare-parehas yung ano nila. Ang ganda!
Yeah.
Perfect!
Of course, Tim and Rain got to talk to them earlier. Very, very, soft-spoken.
Yes.
Oh.